How to fix YouTube video captions not working. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube video captions not working. So to fix YouTube captions or auto subtitles not working, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and check your internet connection. So click at the bottom of your screen, and then in here, go ahead and check if you're connected into an internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent captions from loading, so switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or mobile network. Another thing you can do if it doesn't work still is to go ahead and clear your cache and update browser. So click at the top right of your screen and then go ahead and click on delete browsing data from here, and that will take you here. So make sure to set this to all time and then click on this delete data button. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Now, to check if you're using the latest version, you need to head over into the About Chrome tab. And then, as you can see in here, Google Chrome would check if your Google Chrome app is up to date. And if it is not yet up to date, Google Chrome would update itself. Now, if it still doesn't work, another thing you can do is to go ahead and change your language settings. So head over to YouTube, and then from here, go to your profile at the top right, and then select settings. And then head over to playback and performance, and then head over into subtitles or CC section, and then set your preferred subtitle language in here. And that is how you can basically fix YouTube video captions not working.